Hello guys, after a long time I want to show you my new editor for the unity3D. It's a generic auto tile importer. As you can see, you can load a sprite sheet with tiles. You can zoom in, zoom out to have the best precision to select the tile you want to import. After we select all the tile we will want to use, we can proceed to the next step. I can give a name to the tile. Still I can zoom in, zoom out to see all the tile, so I can draw with the mouse the bit mask. Holding control while clicking, I will unselect the bit. Sorry, the bit mask is still a work in progress, and it's not pixel perfect, but I think I can still play with it. Okay, this tile here will be deleted in the next step. So now I have the image here with only the tile I want to use. I have here the tile that I can add to a palette tile, and then I can create I have to create a tile map, and I can draw my new auto tile. It's a generic version of the one I did for the RPG Maker, and I have created a custom editor when I can add and select a new tile, add to the list, and if I made it right, okay, I have to just to reassign all, and now I have the correct tile, and the image is updated. There is still some bug to fix, but I can say it's pretty complete, and it will be soon available on the asset store. Thanks all. Bye people.